A business wants to replace two payments of $2,000 due at the end of years 2 and 4 with a single equivalent payment at the end of year 3. If the interest rate is 5% compounded annually, what should the equivalent payment be? So here's today. We have payments that are due at 2 years. This one's $2,000. And another one at 4 years of $2,000. And we want to replace them with a single payment at 3 years. So this one's going to have to come to the future. This one's going to have to go to the past. We're going to add them up. And we're going to come up with a total. Now moving from 2 years to 3 years is a 1-year movement. And we're compounding annually, so my n is 1 here. Going from 4 years to 3 years is still a 1-year movement. We're compounding 1 time per year, so our n is 1 here as well. Our rate is 5% compounded annually, so 0.05 divided by 1 for 0.05. So if I call this calculation 1 and this guy calculation 2, our total will be our third calculation. I can create a little chart here for my calculator commands. In both cases, I'm moving 1. In both cases, my interest rate is 5%. In the first case, my present value is going to be $2,000. And I'm let's just stick with the first case here for a second. I'm looking for the future value. In the second case, my future value is $2,000. And I'm looking for the present value. Now, if you want to fool around with the positives and the negatives there, go right ahead. You can call it positive 2,000 or negative 2,000. It doesn't much matter. My payments per year and compounds per year are going to be annual, so 1 for both. So for calculation number 1, we're looking for a future value. So future value 1 is going to be my present value, 1 plus I to the power of n. So that's $2,000, 1 plus 0.05 to the power of 1. So this gives me $2,100. For my second calculation, I'm looking for a present value, so we'll call that PV2. So that's my future value divided by 1 plus I to the power of n. My future value is $2,000. 1 plus 0.05 power of 1. And we get 1904.76. And so we add those two guys up, we get 4,004.76. $4,200.76. So the total payment, or the single payment that we should be making, is $4,004.76.